Yo, 𝐦𝐿 𝐗𝟏 over here, and this right here is 2024 BMW X1 M Sport. One owner unit, super low mileage, and still under aged warranty from Performance Motors. Let's check it out. Have a look at this beautiful SUV. As far as design concerned, I think it's really on point. Really very aggressive front, beautiful side profile, looks very muscular, very futuristic as well. We have very nice sport trims over here. This is an M Sport model, as you can see by the badge over here, and the color is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at it. As far as design concerned, I think BMW got the X1 on point. Looks much nicer than the previous models. All right, now let's check out the boot space. Of course, fully electric tailgate, plenty of boot space. As you can see, the benches can fold to allow even more room, even some additional storage over here below as well. All right, so now let's close this. Behind, plenty of room for your rear passenger. Beautiful brown leather, very luxurious. Over here we have a rear passenger air con with charging ports and very nice black color roof lining. I always like that. In front we have fully electric seats with memory, of course, and they are just gorgeous, very sporty, and they hug you very nicely, as you can see over here. And now let's go in. All right, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very beautiful and futuristic looking cabin. First things first, you'll notice is this massive display that's connected to a speedometer cluster. We have M Sport steering wheel. It is very thick. It's a 3-spoke, multifunctional with pedal shifters, of course, and it is very nice to hold. I already show you huge infotainment screen. Of course, this car comes with reverse camera, also 360 obstacle avoidance as well. Now let's put it back to park. Also, you notice this ambient light, very beautiful, very subtle, which by the way changes when you change different car modes. For example, now we change to sport. You see my whole speedometer cluster changed to red color. Even the ambient light changed to this dark orange or maybe red. Here we have a wireless pad for your charging, couple of cup holders, USB-C ports, some additional storage over here, okay, and also storage below. Overall, the design of the cabin is very futuristic, but I also like that there is a lot of leather. You see, all this is leather. It is beautifully stitched. Also on the door, all this is leather. Even the door design is very beautiful, I must say. All right, guys, we'll have another look. All right, on COE, we still got 9 years and 2 months left. This is a very new car. Mileage is super low, 8,000 plus. Also, in terms of depreciation, you're only looking at 19,000 plus. That means by buying this car, you're saving about $40,000 plus compared to a brand new unit. So, agent warranty for 5 years from date of registration from Performance Motors BMW. This is probably one of the best, if not the best X1 on the market right now that you can get. You all know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.